Here, I'll say it. Budgeting sucks. That's why most people struggle with it. It's restrictive, it operates from scarcity, and it can quickly become a financial prison. It's not sustainable over the long term, at least for me. Luckily, I found a much better system that I've been using for the past 18 months. And it had such a positive impact on my life that it quickly became part of my lifestyle. So what I've been using for the past 18 months is a value spending tracker. This really changed my life for the better. It helped me learn so much about myself, what I value, where my life energy is going, where my money is going, and I'm so grateful for that. It only takes about 3 to 5 minutes per week to maintain it, which is excellent, and it's there to show me how I can get the things that I value most. I mean, I'm pursuing financial independence and financial freedom. The last thing that I want is a financial budgeting prison. So here's how my value tracker works. Ask yourself this: what do you value most? Is it a luxury home? Is it gadgets, parties, eating out? No shame, no guilt. Things you value are the things you value. I don't know about you, but I learn a lot better from seeing how others do things. I like to see example of how they do it and then pick and choose the things that I like and then implement them in my own life. So here's how I use the value spending tracker. So on the screen right now you see my needs tracker, in which I track all my expenses, and I do this every single week. To simplify my life, I only use one card. Every week on Sunday I go through my expenses, and in 3 to 5 minutes I log all my expenses in the tracker and then I go about my day. What's cool is that after a few weeks I have a detailed analysis about my spending. During this tracking time, I keep asking myself, what do I value most? This is what I came up with, and this is just my personal values. Yours will most likely be totally different. I value a nice place to live in. I don't need much space, but the space I have must be nice. I value quality food, and that's a non-negotiable. I want quality meat, fruits, vegetables, and my own meal prep that I deeply enjoy. I love this thing. I value quality clothes. I want a simple, functional, and timeless wardrobe. I would rather pay $400 for a quality suit than $100 for a cheap ass one. I value traveling about once or twice per year. I don't feel the need to travel more at this stage because I love my day-to-day life. There are a few things that I don't value and I choose to not spend money on. I don't value eating out, like at all. I need food that provides fuel for my health and fitness goals. I don't want food that's cooked in shady seed oils and from poor quality items. I only eat out about once or twice per month, and that's when my fiance wants to try pizza or tiramisu from various places. She values this. I don't care about shopping sales. Like I said, I value a quality wardrobe. Simple, timeless, classy items. I don't care about clubbing, parties, or drinking. And I don't care about owning a car. So after I figured out what I value and what I don't, I structured my spending accordingly. I spend more on things that I value and less on things that I don't. That's simple. I encourage you to try this. Think about what you value and what you don't. No shame, no guilt. It's your rich life. If you value partying, so be it. Maybe you don't value a luxurious home, so you can decrease your spending on rent and increase your spending on parties. Maybe you like eating out, but you don't like gadgets like I do. I really love reading on this thing. So choose what you value. It's your life that you need to design. So you should not care about what any other person says. You should care about what you value and what you don't value. This is why I love the value spending tracker. With it, I can optimize my spending so I can spend more on things that I value and less to nothing on the things that I don't. Remember this, it's your choice and your rich life. Design it accordingly. If you like this video, you might also like this other video, and feel free to subscribe if you want to do it. Till next time, take care and have a wonderful day. Peace!